Unlimited characters, unlimited style, zero cost. My workflow with ComfyUI. I open ComfyUI. I paste my AI-generated prompt. I hit the queue. In just a few seconds, a free image is generated. I upscale the image and compare both versions. I'm still learning to achieve even better results. Then I remove the background. This is also useful for fast scene creation in Blender. The best part is I can do this in batch using the infinite style option. I can even turn it into a 3D model and use it in my scenes. I'm passionate about tech and embracing every new trend. AI may stir nostalgia like digital filmmaking did, but I'm all in for this creative evolution.